Hello, and welcome back to Stone's Daily English, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English at a slow, natural pace. I am Sarah, and I am very happy you are here. In this episode, I speak slowly, I use clear, simple words, and I repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice, practice your speaking, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we will talk about something we do every day, sharing our feelings and greeting people. Many people only say, "I'm fine," but today you will learn much more. It is important because you want to tell your friends how you really feel. Let's begin, one real sentence at a time. Imagine you meet a friend. They ask, "How is it going?" Instead of, "I'm fine," you can say, "I'm doing really well today. I feel great because the weather is beautiful. I am very excited about my new project. Everything is going perfectly. I've been very busy, but I'm happy. I am having a wonderful morning. I had a good cup of coffee. I feel energetic and ready for the day. I feel very positive about this week. I am so glad to see you." Listen and repeat. Now let's pause and practice what we learned. Speaking out loud is the best way to build your confidence. I will say 5 important sentences. Please repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Sentence number 1. I'm doing really well today. Sentence number 2. I am very excited about my new project. Sentence number 3. Everything is going perfectly. Sentence number 4. I feel energetic and ready for the day. Sentence number 5. I've been very busy, but I'm happy. Great job! Your pronunciation is getting better every day. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Stone's Daily English. Sometimes we feel tired or stressed. This is real life. Let's learn how to say that my friend Mark looks a bit sad. I ask him, "Are you okay?" He says, "I've had a long day. I'm feeling a little bit tired. I've been working too much lately. I feel a bit stressed about my exams. I'm exhausted and I need a nap. I'm not having a very good day." He says he is overwhelmed. He needs to go home and relax. It is okay to not be okay sometimes. Listen and repeat. Let's practice these real-life sentences. Listen first, then repeat after me out loud. Sentence number 1. I'm feeling a little bit tired. Sentence number 2. I've had a long day at work. Sentence number 3. I feel a bit stressed about my exams. Sentence number 4. I'm exhausted and I need a nap. Sentence number 5. I'm not having a very good day. Now let's talk about how we feel when we work or study. Sometimes we feel proud, and sometimes we feel confused. I feel very proud of my progress in English. I am a bit confused about this lesson. I feel motivated to learn new things every day. I am nervous about my presentation tomorrow. I feel focused and ready to work. When you learn a new word, you feel confident. Confidence comes from practice. Let's practice these sentences about work and study. Remember, listen first, then speak. Sentence number 1. I feel very proud of my progress in English. Sentence number 2. I am a bit confused about this lesson. Sentence number 3. I feel motivated to learn new things. Sentence number 4. I am nervous about my presentation. Sentence number 5. I feel focused and ready to work. Sometimes our feelings stay for a long time. We call this a mood. I am in a great mood this morning. My sister is in a bad mood, so I will leave her alone. I feel very calm and peaceful by the ocean. I am feeling a bit lonely today. I should call a friend. I feel bored because there is nothing to do. I am so grateful for my family and friends. I feel surprised by the good news. I am curious to learn more about this topic. I feel relaxed after my yoga class. I am hopeful about the future. When your friend tells you their feelings, you need to respond. I'm so happy for you. I'm glad to hear that you're doing well. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling sad. That sounds wonderful. Don't worry, things will get better soon. I understand how you feel. That's too bad. I hope you feel better. What a great surprise! Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. I'm here for you if you need to talk. Excellent work! Today you learned how to talk about your heart and your mind. You are not just studying English, you are living in English, one sentence at a time. Keep practicing until it feels easy. Now, I have a question for you. I want to hear your story. How are you feeling right now? Are you excited? Are you tired? Or are you just happy to be learning? Please write one simple sentence in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes, just try. I will read your comments and I will answer you. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.